Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Officejet 8012e. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask. 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is for businesses, for students, work, for family. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 912. Ink cartridge 912. Going to turn this printer around. From the back, here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. This sticker here is for serial number for this printer, in case if you need to contact HP service. And just above the power cable, straight up, we have the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. And the essence of it is very handy. It goes in here. Bear in mind that this printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network or USB cable connection. So the USB cable goes here, and this flat end goes to the back of your PC. USB cable is universal. Canon can use it, HP can use it, Brothers can use it, and Epson. Okay, this printer is with got automatic document feeder. This is ADF, automatic document feeder. The essence of it is you scan and copy multiple pages of documents in one go. But to do this, you need to select ADF feeder. Okay, from the app when you want to, or from the setting when you want to do automatic document feeder. Okay, this is the scanner, flat belt scanner. You stick your document, ID card, what you want to load or scan on top of the scanner, and select the function from LCD screen. So what you need to do is to install the ink. You just need to go in, okay, place it down, do the same thing to blue. Okay, it's in. Now do the same thing to the black. Okay, just go into the black. You hear a click sound, and once you're done, just need to use your hand to shake it. Make sure everything is lined up properly. Okay, sometimes it's a bit fiddly. You need to make sure you find this where it's supposed to go. Okay, you can see. And once everything is lined up, once you shake it like this, you see that it's inside. If you want to remove it, just need to press this together and remove it. Okay. Okay. If you want to press, you just need to go in and remove it. And once you're done, the next thing you need to do is just gently close this printer. Okay, close it, and give the printer time to see if we recognize the ink that we just installed. Right now is checking the printer, and if everything goes okay, it will tell you, here we go, genuine HP ink installed. So this is how to install the ink cartridges for this printer. And once you're happy, just click OK. Now it's telling us we need to load the paper tray and complete alignment head, which I'm going to show you how to do. This printer is nice, very compact, very economical and affordable. Like I mentioned, this is the ADF. Okay, with this printer you say you never run out of ink, but you save up to 70% on ink by registering with HPInstantInk.com. This is HPInstantInk.com. So you get ink plus hassle-free delivery and recycle. All start from 0.99 euro, which is about sometimes 1.29 pound here in UK. So like this printer got 6 months trial of instant ink, which you need to register within 7 days of getting this printer. You can cancel it if you are not happy with it. Okay, so you have 1 year extra HP, up to 3 years with this gear, and it's nice printer. It deserves your attention. It's compatible with Windows, Android, and also iOS. Okay, so this printer deserves your attention. If you're happy with this tutorial and unboxing and the installation of the ink cartridges, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.